Good morning students. This is Richa Rahi, your biology teacher. Students, in this video we will discuss the answers of the questions which was given to you on class test that was held on 25th of July. So here is your first question. The process of conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into useful nitrogenous compound is called as dash. So answer of your question first is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation, basically it is a process in which the atmosphere which is present in our atmosphere, the nitrogen which is present in our atmosphere, that is directly cannot be useful to plants. So for this the nitrogen must be converted into useful nitrogenous compound through various processes like nitrification, ammonification, renitrification. So this whole process of conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into useful nitrogenous compound which will be used by plant is called as nitrogen fixation. So your answer is nitrogen fixation. First answer is nitrogen fixation. Your question number 2 was dash made the first vaccine. So who made the first vaccine? So your answer is Edward Jenner. It is Edward Jenner. He was the English physician who made the first vaccine against the disease smallpox. So your correct answer is Edward Jenner. Now we will move to question number 3. And your question number 3 was the heating of milk up to 70 degrees Celsius and then suddenly cooled is called as. So your answer is pasteurization. So pasteurization, basically it is a process in which we will heat the milk up to 70 degrees and then we will cool it so that the harmful pathogens must be killed. So the purpose of pasteurization is to eliminate the pathogen, to kill the germs. So we will move to the next question. Your question number 4 is dash can kill disease causing microbes without causing any harm to the body. It was a multiple choice question. So your options was painkiller, antibiotic, anti-narcotic and none of the above. So correct answer was antibiotic. Antibiotic, they are basically the drugs which are used to kill the microbes without causing any harm to the body. You get very familiar with the word antibiotic. Whenever you get ill, whenever you got any infection, so doctor give you antibiotics. So antibiotics are basically the drugs which are used to kill the microbes without causing any harm to your body. So we will move to the next question now. Your next question is microorganisms broadly classify into how many groups? So as we have done this, that microorganisms, they are broadly classified into 4 major groups. So correct answer is 4. The correct answer is 4. And the 4 groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and virus. So microorganisms, they are broadly classified into how many groups? 4 groups. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Dash is bacterium that helps in curd formation. Which bacteria which is helpful in the formation of curd, which is responsible for the formation of curd? That I think we have also done in class 7. So lactobacillus is the bacteria which is responsible for the formation of curd. The curd which you eat every day, that is done by that whole the process of conversion of milk into curd, that is done by a bacteria which is called as lactobacillus. We will move to question number 7 now. Dash is the human disease caused by virus. So one disease you have to tell that is caused by virus. Your options were malaria, tuberculosis, typhoid, COVID-19. So I think all of you are very well aware that the correct answer must be COVID-19. COVID-19 is a disease which is caused due to virus. So malaria basically it is caused due to bacteria, and tuberculosis it is also caused due to bacteria, and typhoid it is also caused due to bacteria. So COVID-19 basically is a disease, corona which you called it, it is caused due to virus. So now we will move to question number 8. Alcohol is produced with the help of dash. So alcohol is produced with the help of which? Bacteria, yeast, euglena or protozoan. So I think you all are well known that alcohol it is produced with the help of yeast. Bacteria is not responsible for the production of alcohol, and euglena and protozoa they are also not responsible for the production of alcohol. So yeast which is basically a fungi, and it is responsible for the production of alcohol. Now we will move to question number 9. Dash is nitrogen fixing bacteria. So name the bacteria which is responsible for fixation of nitrogen. When we have done the nitrogen fixation, so there we have studied that Rhizobium is a bacteria which is responsible for the nitrogen fixation. This Rhizobium it is found in the leguminous plant, in the root nodules of the leguminous plant. So correct answer is Rhizobium. Now we will move to question number 10. Robert Koch was the first scientist to observe microbes through a microscope. So this is basically a true false question. So the answer of this question is false. Robert Koch was not that first scientist who observed the microbe through a microscope. Actually, the scientist who observed it was Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He was the first scientist who observed microbes through the microscope first time. So answer of this question was false. So we will move to question number 11. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. So correct answer is true. This is the true. So fermentation is basically a process in which the sugar is converted into alcohol with the help of bacteria. So the correct answer is true. Now next question, we will move to question number 12. Yeast is used in the production of curd. So as we have discussed earlier that lactobacillus is used in production of curd, and what was lactobacillus? Lactobacillus is a bacteria. So this is false. Yeast is basically a fungi, so it is not responsible for the production of curd. Now we will move to question number 13. Identify the microorganism shown in the image given below. So here is the image. With the help of the image you have to identify that what is this basically. Is it a paramecium, is it a virus, is it a yeast, or is it a amoeba? So correct answer is yeast. The image which is shown here is the image of yeast. Budding structure you can see here. This is the image of yeast. So now we will move to question number 14. Write the names of major groups of microorganisms. As I have told you in the earlier question that the microorganisms are broadly classified into 4 groups, which were bacteria, fungi, protozoa and virus. So the 4 groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and virus. So we will move to the last question, question number 15. Dash is the process of conversion of ammonia into nitrite. So correct answer is nitrification. Nitrification is the process of conversion of ammonia into nitrite. When we study the nitrogen fixation, the whole process of the nitrogen fixation, the first step was nitrification, in which the ammonia is converted into the nitrite. So nitrification is the correct answer. Hope this video is helpful to get you the correct answers. You can match your answers with this answer key. Thank you.